Welcome to another video. Stay with me for this simple tuna and egg recipe. It is delicious. I like it. I like it with bread. Maybe you can do it with rice. Today I'll be doing it with bread. I will add 1 egg to a bowl. Then I will add salt, black pepper, and crushed pepper. After which I will also grate some garlic and onions. You can chop them if you like, or put them in your food processor and mince them out, whichever way works. I'll just grate it. After combining the grated onions and garlic to the egg, I will now cut open a tin of tuna, and this tuna is the flaky tuna, not the chunky one. It's best to use the flaky one for this recipe. After cutting the tuna open, I will drain the water off the tuna. Make sure you drain as much as possible. Then add it to the egg and combine. Mix it together and combine the ingredients into the bowl. Now that all the ingredients have been combined and mixed together, the next step is to light your stove, place a pot on the stove, and pour some oil into your saucepan. Allow it to heat before adding the egg and tuna along with the just the egg and tuna mixture. Ensure that the sauce pot or pan is hot enough so that when the egg and the tuna go in, it will cook easily. And when you add it, remember to keep stirring because it's gonna be like you're scrambling eggs. So just keep stirring until it is finished. If you have come this far in the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. This is a quick and healthy meal. As you know, eggs is packed with protein and tuna is packed with omega-3. So it's a good combination for your body and your health. Continue to stir the ingredients for about 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, egg is easy to cook and tuna can be eaten as it is. So just do it for 3 to 5 minutes, then it will be finished. Then you can serve the way you like. I personally like it with bread, salad, or tomato along with some lettuce. So I am serving mine with tomatoes and a little bit of mayonnaise on my bread.